Did you know Nietzsche asked the most terrifying question in all of philosophy? What if you had to live your exact same life infinite times? Every joy, every pain, every moment repeated forever. He called this eternal recurrence, a test to see if you truly love your existence. Most people would be horrified by this idea because they're living someone else's life, following rules they never chose, chasing dreams that aren't theirs. Nietzsche believed we must create our own meaning, become the authors of our own story. His concept of amor fati meant love your fate, embrace everything that made you who you are, even the suffering. Tragically, this brilliant mind broke down at 44. He spent his final years in madness, but his message lives on. We live in a universe without built-in purpose. The question isn't whether life has meaning. The question is whether you have the courage to create it. Stop waiting for permission. Stop following the crowd. Your life is your masterpiece. Start painting it the way you want.